Well, I'm delighted to be sitting in the display gardens at Adelman's Peony Gardens, and I'm here with Carol Adelman. And Carol, you know, people can come out and stroll through the gardens and certainly through the fields here, but we wanted to talk about something that really is exciting for you guys that's happening.
Yes, the American Peony Society convention is going to be in Oregon for the second time in the 110 years of the Peony Society.
Wow, not 2 times in a row
No,
either, so
it
this is
was
really a big deal.
2011 and
Wonderful.
2018.
And so people can just wander into this event, or is it something you need to tell us about?
Well, the convention itself is sold out, but the public is welcome to come to the Judge Flower Show. It's at the University Place Hotel in Portland, and Max can drop you right at the door. It's open to the public on Saturday from 1 to 5, and on Sunday from 10 to 4. There's no charge to get into the flower show.
Wonderful. Well, and we should tell you that there is a charge for parking at the hotel. So if you take the Max, you don't even have to pay for that. And then you can see these wonderful, wonderful cut flower examples. For more information, as always, we invite you to go to gardentime.tv, and then we'll click you over to their website too. Thanks, Carol, and congratulations.